Is this thing on? Google has removed the View Image button from its image search, which means that for a lot of users now, you can't just click that button and see the image without having to go through the whole website. So I've got a little fix for you that will allow you to actually get that image without having that View Image button. Stick around, because it's TechWiz time. Hey guys, hope you're having a great week. My name is Jonathan and this is TechWiz Time. For those that are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell icon too. So a little bit of backstory. Google has a View Image button, or had I should say, a View Image button whenever you clicked on an image in image search. Now this allowed you to not go through the whole website searching for that one image. Now the reason Google removed this View Image button was due to a few people out there, especially bigger companies, complaining about people being able to bypass the protections they put in place on their website. So when you're on a website like, say for example, Getty Images was one of them, if you right-clicked on an image, it wouldn't actually let you save that image. But Google Image Search actually bypassed all that so you could see the image without needing to go through the whole website and go through the code. So what this means now is that the average user can't just click View Image to see that image. They've got to go through all the code and actually find out where that image is and what the image URL is. But there is a little workaround. I'm going to tell you right now how you can get around not having the View Image button there. So this is relatively simple. All you need to do is do your Google image search and then click on the image. Now you're presented with these buttons here which mean nothing, but if you were to right click on the image and save picture, then it will save the image in its entirety, even if it's a PNG. So this is a handy little workaround for people that just want to grab the image straight away and use it for whatever purposes they need. So this is just a quick little video to show you how to get around that View Image button in Google Images. I really hope you liked it. If you did, then make sure you like this video and share it with all your friends. If you're not a subscriber already, then make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell icon too so you get notified whenever I release a new video. And as always, imagine, learn, create. Did he just pee on you? Awesome.